everybody, this is Righteous River Fishing in Oregon. I'm here with my son today, Lucas. We're in Fairview, Oregon, and we are going to go fishing for Chinook salmon, maybe steelhead, with Warfighter Outfitters. We're super excited to see what Warfighter Outfitters is all about, and so wish us luck. We'll see how we do. And just remember, the way to have a happy and awesome life is to grow a beard and love Jesus. See you soon. Wish us luck.
Let's catch some big fish.
Yeah! Okay, we need better luck, so he's gonna select the hat on. We're gonna get some fish now.
Hey, let me get a picture. Turn around.
Yeah, hold on, I'm driving.
Okay, working. One more time.
Looks like they're on right there.
How many feet? Doing good. Keep doing that. Get it away from the motor. Still spinning. Right where you are. There's a rod behind you. Oh! No. Got a reel.
He was right there.
I know. 11. Ah! You didn't do anything wrong. Don't pump, rod up and reel. Look at the top. It's right at the boat. Oh, rod up and reel. Come on, let's get there. Yep, keep reeling all the way to the weight. All the way to the weight. Okay. Sorry. Oh, I missed. There you go.
Hey, give me some slack.
What did you do different?
That's the first one I fought.
That's a good one. To not get hit with that weight. Gotcha. Hey, all right, in the boat.
Woo! Hey, we got one on.